Good evening, or good afternoon, or good morning, or whenever you're watching this. If you don't know me, I'm Head of Physics at Llanishen High School. My name is Mrs. Wallington. I've been teaching A-level physics for more than 20 years now. And like many of the physics teachers that we have in Llanishen High School, I'm a senior examiner. I examine both for the WJC board at A2 and AS. I also examine for one of the English boards at A2. So I'm a very experienced teacher, I'm a very experienced examiner, and that is borne out in our results. In Year 12, we start off with the first topic, which we teach usually as space, the space topic, and we try and do a test on it as soon as we can before the end of September to make sure that you are on the right course for you. We then do the other topics in Unit 1, which are broadly speaking mechanics and also particle physics, before then going on to Unit 2, where we do electricity, waves and photons. At the end of Year 12, you will have 2 exams in Unit 1 and Unit 2, before you proceed on to Year 13, where you will do again 2 exams and a practical exam. Unit 3 covers circular motion, thermal physics and nuclear physics. And Unit 4 covers capacitors, electric fields, gravitational fields, more space, and also our special topic, which is alternating currents and also magnetic fields and electromagnetic induction.
So if you want to understand how the physical world works and you want to be involved in developing it in years to come, Physics A-level is for you. We have very good exam results. We have been in the Alps Red category for the last 3 years. We got in 2019 2 A stars and 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's last year, 4 A stars, 2 A's, 1 B and 2 C's. All physics students get the grades they need to enter the university or apprenticeship. What do we offer as a department? We offer regular homework and mock exams. We do a test in the first few weeks after we've been studying space for a couple of weeks. This is hopefully before the end of September to allow students who are not right for physics or physics is not right there for them the chance to change quickly. But we also give regular tests and regular exams so that students can get a real sense of how they're doing and what they need to do to develop. There's a lot of encouragement to become independent learners through mentoring programs, extra tutorial sessions, as well as individual guidance and online support.
Show you some of the state-of-the-art equipment that we've got. This is a data logger that will allow me to measure acceleration. Okay, it will allow me to measure acceleration as this trolley goes through the light gate here. You can see that if I put my hand through the light gate, you can see if you come on the other side that the light is flashing. So as I put my hand through it, you can say it's doing it. Then you should be able to see now that I can make some measurements to prove Newton's laws. So what I'm going to do is, this is the kind of experiment that you would do with us in the sixth form. You will get data on it. So this is a trolley going through it, and we will measure the acceleration on here using data logging equipment. And there is a lot of things that you can do with this equipment, and we're very lucky to have such state-of-the-art equipment. Why should you do Physics A-level? Well, if you don't do Physics A-level, you'll never understand how on earth a motor works. A motor works because an electric field around a wire interacts with a magnetic field in this magnet, and that forces the wire out, or if I turn it round the other way, it forces the wire in. So you can see that that is how a motor works, is important for life. And this one is how electricity works. So I've got a coil of wire which I've connected up to a posh ammeter. So as I move the magnet in and out, I am making electricity. Thank you.
We also try and have fun. We do external activities. This is not last year but the year before at the ESW at the Engineering Scheme Wales. Last year they submitted on a video because unfortunately it was cancelled, but we do that every year, and we solve real live problems for a company. This is us working with GE and us working at GE again. We've won Best Engineering Design in 2018, and in 2019 we won Best Written Report, and at the time of recording this we're still waiting for the results from 2020 because of course they were delayed with COVID.
We also actively participate in a whole load of competitions such as the Engineering Scheme in Wales and Engineering Education Scheme in Wales, where we have won awards in recent years. Our students have been judged the best out of 66 forms in the whole of Wales, so we have made significant progress. We have also, COVID permitting, done trips to CERN, and we also do as many trips and make things as interesting for you as we possibly can. So if you come to Llanishen, you can be assured of experienced teachers, and you can be assured that we will make the course as interesting as possible.
Now, we only want people who are on the course where it's right for them. So physics is suitable for you if you actually enjoy physics and you want a grounding in a worthwhile qualification of recognised value. You need to make sure that you have the right qualifications for us. We need Bs at a minimum in science, in physics GCSE or in double award. We also need a B in maths and a B in English language. This is to make sure that the course is right for you. Most of our students will have A's and A stars, certainly in physics and maths. It is a very good A-level if you are taking maths A-level and other courses like design technology, IT and computing science, and want to take another course to support your studies. It's very important if you enjoy finding out about how things work in the physical world and enjoy applying your mind to solving problems. This is very much a problem-solving course, and it is interesting to carry out the application and use your physical imagination and logical thinking. It is a very good A-level to go on to higher education and to support other qualifications, for instance apprenticeships or physics-based employment. And I would emphasise it is a really good idea if you want to do maths. There are lots and lots of careers that you can go through from it: architecture, meteorology, weather forecasting, aviation, cars, electrical cars, electronics, computer programming. All of those STEM subjects are a very good basis to start with for physics A-level. And you will, if you do a physics-based degree, employment will be relatively much easier to come by than other subjects. I would thoroughly recommend it to you if it's right for you. And just to say, we've sent people all over the place to do engineering, theoretical maths, physics at Imperial or Manchester. If you don't think Manchester sounds like one of the top universities, just think of Brian Cox. Electronic engineering, maths, and also people don't only do physics. We've had them do law, we've had them do music. There are and a lot of sound engineering and complex application courses all come from doing physics A-level. If you have any questions about it, if you are interested in doing it, then please speak to your physics teacher to find out if it's right for you. We're only too happy to help. Thank you. Bye.